Hello everyone, how to totes back with another new video, and in this video I will tell you how to use Monica AI chatbot. So you have to download or install this application from App Store or Google Play Store, then open this app, then you can see the interface like this. So tap on the next button, ask Monica anything, powered by GPT-4 version, and you can see like how can you use this. They guide you, create and Monica imagination to life. So login, you need to log in first. So after login, you will see here you can use trial version in 3 days, then you have to buy the pack. So you can start free trial 3 days. So give up, I just give up here, and once you use free trial, then you can utilize all the feature here. So you can say ask me anything. So this is really good interface. So how to use this, how to use, I'm just asking randomly Monica. So send it, how the start by asking me any question or requesting. You can see ask web ChatGPT-4 also answer again, or you can also give the voiceover. So let's see the other feature. So you can see interpreting, YouTube summary, chat PDF, make it more. Okay, so you can use anything. So you can send the photos, picture. If you go here, favorite, then there are a lot of tools here. Chat GPT, make it more. So scroll down, there you'll see here there are some videos and picture. You can save here if you like to create anything. You can save here, and so you can see all AI boards here. A lot of you can see many Google search ad generator, invest in memo office, dating assistant. So all boards available here. So you will get like, hi, a chat screenshot or just text to tell me about. I will show you some amazing replies. Okay, I just tell you love you, and how that's it. It's important to express your feelings. Okay, so can we date? I just type randomly for fun. The board here, it's really simple, easy to use. You just click here, then you can get artist, Gemini, Cloudy, Mistral, so assistant. So everything is possible here. It's not totally free. You can use trial version 3 days, and after that you have to buy the pack. So okay friend, I hope this video is helpful for you. So today's no man, see you in the next video.